Hello my friend, Caleb Wright here from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and in this installment of my Hotbit Exchange Beginner's Guide, I'm going to give you a guided overview of the available features and functions of the Hotbit cryptocurrency exchange, which is a trusted cryptocurrency exchange based out of Estonia, and it's also a top 10 cryptocurrency exchange based on adjusted trading volume, according to CoinMarketCap. I've been recommended this exchange by one of my trusted market research sources that checks out and verifies crypto platforms for quality and, most importantly, trustworthiness. Another added benefit for people who live in certain parts of the world without access to quality cryptocurrency exchanges, like certain US states including New York, Vermont, and Hawaii, for example, is that you will be able to register an account here at Hotbit. The Hotbit cryptocurrency exchange is currently accepting US registrants from all states. You can use my link right below this video to register your Hotbit exchange account, so you can start using it after checking out my helpful video overview of the platform, and thank you in advance for using my link. So let's get started without any further ado. And I'm just going to log into the new account that I've created real quick. This is the fund page you will first see when you log into your newly registered Hotbit account. We are currently looking at the trading account view. This is essentially where you will be able to see all of the crypto you have deposited on the exchange for trading, as well as a display of your total account value. Any cryptocurrency balances you have deposited will automatically go to the top of this list of supported cryptocurrencies if you click the BTC value column heading. You can also search the available supported cryptocurrencies by using the search field here. And you can toggle the coins that display here using the buttons here at the top as well. It's already set to all token types by default, but you can select it to display the tokens that you have already owned or the tokens that you have current deposits with. ePay deposits and withdrawals will give you a history of your deposits and withdrawals of USD fiat currency to the platform, as well as giving you the ability to do so through its forms right here. You can also toggle the displayed list of currencies on this page by clicking the heading of the coin column, which will reorder the coins alphabetically. To the right of each currency, you can access the options to deposit or withdraw, and if you click Exchange, it will bring up a pop-up showing the available markets you can trade it, and you can just click the one you want to use, and it will take you to that pair's exchange page. Now you will notice towards the top of the screen, there is one more view we have not looked at called Investment Account. Again, we are currently looking at our trading account deposits. With the investment account, you can transfer supported cryptocurrencies that are deposited to your account and hold them in your investment account to earn a percentage return. As you can see on the screen, the investment account is similar, just with less sorting options and less currencies. They have a short list of currencies you can use the transfer option on the right to shift them into your investment account if you already have them deposited in your trading account. I will click over to the page that gives details about the investment account products, as they call them. I'll just scroll my mouse up to the link that says investment in the top navigation and select investment products. And as I scroll down on this page, you can see the reported annualized returns for holding any of these supported currencies on the exchange in the investment account. And it will tell you how long it takes to redeem your currency out of your investment account. In other words, when you put cryptocurrency in an investment account on Hotbit, it's locked in it for a certain amount of time. If you choose to initiate a withdrawal, it's going to take a certain amount of time to get it back out. I'm not sure exactly how the algorithm works to calculate the withdrawal period, as we see here under the methods for redemption, but it looks like time plus 1 day for most of them, except a few of them which have very long withdrawal times, like KSM, Atom, and FSN, for example. And it will also let you know the minimum amount of the asset that is required to be deposited for investment returns. I personally do not trust cryptocurrency exchanges to hold my crypto for longer periods of time, and I tend to just move coins onto the exchange when it's time to trade and quickly withdraw the proceeds right after. It's my belief that this is the most secure way to use the centralized cryptocurrency exchanges that are out there, as it minimizes your risk of losing your coins if your account or the exchange overall gets hacked. And this is a practice that I teach people to use in cryptocurrency because I don't want to see anyone lose their hard-earned money. So even though the rates of return are attractive, I will not be one bit attracted to use this investment account program offered by Hotbit. I just figured we would go over this early just to clear the air of it. So now let's move on to the next relevant area of the exchange that I'd like to review with you. I'm going to click the exchange link in the navigation at the top of the page. This will bring you back to the last page you were looking at on the Hotbit exchange. In my case, it was TRX trading against BTC. This page is going to give you the info and options you would typically expect from a crypto trading platform. At the top, it displays the trading pair call letters and the various market stats for the past 24 hours, like last price, percentage change over the past 24 hours, the high and low prices over the past 24 hours, and 24-hour trading volume displayed in the total amount of currency that was traded, and also the 24-hour trading volume displayed in Bitcoin value. And of course you have the typical candlestick chart in the middle of the screen that you can easily adjust your time frame from a short-term view, like the 1-hour chart, to a longer-term view, like the daily chart or the weekly chart. It also provides a nice graphical representation of the trading volume per candlestick at the bottom of the chart, which is always helpful. If you click the gear icon, it provides some settings to customize the look of the chart to your preference. The default usually works for me personally. The little icon with the volume bars all the way to the right here will give you options for adding technical indicators, like the MACD momentum indicator or Bollinger Bands, for example. I'll just add the MACD real quick. And there it is. Very helpful. And of course you can move your mouse over the chart and use your scroll wheel to adjust the zoom of it. If you look to the right of the screen, you can see the bids and sells lined up on the buy and sell sides of the order books. Of course, the red part at the top represents the sell orders, and the green part on the bottom are the buy orders. You can see the Bitcoin price of the buy and sell orders in the leftmost column, the corresponding amount of coins available for buying and selling at that price in the middle column, and the total Bitcoin value of the orders at each of these prices in the third row to the right. The last price to occur is displayed in the middle between the order books, and the order at the bottom of the red side is the lowest available selling price you could buy some of this coin at currently. And the order at the top of the green side is the highest available price that you could sell some of these coins at currently. To expand and see deeper into either side of the order books, you can click either the green or red icons at the top. To expand and see deeper into either side of the order book, you can click either the green or red icons at the top. I'll just expand the sell side real quick. You will also be able to scroll even deeper into whichever side that you open. Then we have the buy side of the order book. And of course, to get back to displaying both at once, all you have to do is click the leftmost icon at the top here. Now, if we scroll down, you can see we get the typical buying and selling order forms that we can use to either set an order to buy the coin with Bitcoin using the green order form on the left, or sell the coin for Bitcoin using the red form on the right. And that it's for Bitcoin either way is based on the fact that we are on the Bitcoin base pair at the moment. Of course, I will go into the details of exactly how to use these forms to make buy and sell orders in one of my next Hotbit cryptocurrency exchange beginner's guide videos on this playlist. Keep an eye out for that video. Otherwise, if you have ever used another cryptocurrency exchange, you will quickly see that these forms are, as usual, self-explanatory. Something that Hotbit did that's a little bit different that I like is that they added the option to hide your orders in the order book rather than have them out in the open for everyone to see in the order books that we were just looking at. You can do that by just clicking this little toggle switch right here next to the words mode and hidden. And you can see when I scroll over the hint icon here, it says by choosing this option, you can place your order or orders in the order book without displaying your orders to other traders. And if you're making a larger buy or sell at a certain price, this is just a really easy way to leverage that way of placing an order so you don't make the market move unnecessarily. And I have not seen that option made so easy on any other crypto exchange at this point. And they have some other way of entering your trades here that's in beta called lazy mode. And this is just an order matching system. And of course it's still in beta. I have not really explored it yet myself, much other than to see it looks like a streamlined way to make your trade, which gives you some exchange rates that you can select from. Based on my observations, I would say that this Hotbit exchange is making some nice innovations for crypto traders, and it's nice to see. I also see that they have copied other exchanges like Binance by having a platform token with HTB, or the Hotbit token, that you can use to save 50% on trading fees if you hold some on your account that the fees can be deducted from. If you do, then you can toggle this little switch right here where it says 50% discount for using HTB. The section to the bottom right of the page, labeled Trade History, is a scrollable list of all the most recent trades for this trading pair, giving you the Bitcoin price, the amount of coins, and the time for each trade. And so scrolling down just a little bit more, you will see the area where any current orders you have opened and have not yet filled will display via the Open Orders tab that's already open by default. And then of course you have your Order History tab, and then the new Lazy Mode history as well. Now I'm just going to scroll back to the top of the screen, and I just want to point out that if you click the heart that is next to the trading pair call letters at the top of the screen, you can add it to your list of favorite trading pairs, which you can access over on the left of the page by clicking the heart icon at the top left of the cryptocurrency list navigation. As you can see, it brought up a list of all my favorite currencies that I've favorited so far on the Hotbit exchange. And of course, the rest of the options on this left-hand column of the cryptocurrency navigation are your base trading pairs available for trading on Hotbit. So left-clicking into each one, you can see which coins you can trade against: USD Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, HTB or the Hotbit token, which is the native currency of the exchange, EOS, Atom, or BHD, which is a currency that I'm not familiar with yet. Most coins will be available for trading against USDT, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. The other options are more limited, and if anyone from Hotbit is listening to this, you should seriously consider adding Tron as a base trading pair, since you already have EOS. You will surely get way more trading volume. For the purpose of this Hotbit exchange overview, I'm going to leave it set on the Bitcoin-based trading pairs, which is what I personally trade the most. And you can just click any trading pair from the list that you want to trade it, and it will take you to that trading pairs exchange page. I will just select Litecoin by clicking the LTC BTC pair real quick. And here we are on the LTC BTC exchange page. And that pretty much generally covers everything that is available on the exchange section of the site. And again, if you are a complete noob and need this kind of help, keep an eye out for one of my next videos that will go into more detail on exactly how to place, bid, and sell orders. I'm here for you. So looking back to the navigation at the top of the screen, of course fund is the area that I first showed you, and when you roll your mouse over it here, it will give you the option of going to your deposits and withdrawals page, which is exactly where we first started at the beginning of the video, your history page, which will show you history of all your cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals, or your USD deposit/withdrawal page. The orders link in the top navigation will actually take you to your trading history page. This is a fresh account I made just for this video, so I don't actually have any trading history to display yet. However, in my upcoming video where I will show you how to buy and sell the market instantly at current prices, it will populate some data here, and I will show you how that looks at that point. But as you can see, it provides you with some controls to search your transaction history and the ability to export it. Now looking back at the navigation at the top of the screen, the news and support link will bring you to where you can create a support ticket for your account if you ever need it for anything. There will also be some news and announcements, coin information, and a FAQ frequently asked questions section provided by the exchange. Next, in the site navigation at the top here, we will click your account link to access your account's options. This is where you can set up your account security options, like 2FA two-factor authentication with an authentication app like Google Authenticator or some other comparable authentication app. I would also recommend setting an email authentication to be used to complete withdrawals from the exchange or do things like confirming changing your password. And of course, at the top of this page, you can access your invitation link, as just like Binance, they offer you the ability to earn a percentage of the trading fees of anyone you refer to the Hotbit cryptocurrency exchange. And again, if you would like to support my crypto content production, I'd super appreciate you using my link below in the video description. Thank you in advance. And that pretty much covers everything important you would want to know in this overview of the Hotbit cryptocurrency exchange. I did not find too much value in the other navigational items, including activities, which seems to have a couple of airdrop options that could perhaps be participated in to earn some type of free cryptocurrency coins. In the Polaris section seems to be an exchange sponsored section where they recommend new coin projects. Another area that is just not looking too interesting to me because I do my own market research and I have my own sources of trusted information. Maybe this could be a jump off point to then research some of these things that they're recommending, but I've never tended to trust cryptocurrency exchange recommendations personally. So at this point, I've shown you all the most significant areas of the Hotbit cryptocurrency exchange and have given you a good idea of what each part is for and how it works. However, I will have some more focused training videos for you next that will show you exactly how to use certain functions of the exchange. Make sure you check out my next video where I'm going to show you how to deposit and withdraw funds using your Hotbit exchange account. If you found massive value in this video today, I would certainly appreciate your support if you would take the time to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below letting me know how you feel about my Hotbit exchange overview. I would love your feedback and it would certainly help me out. And by the way, if you still need to sign up for your Hotbit exchange account, I have put my link in the video description for your convenience. If you would like to give me credit for providing you with this information today, I'd definitely appreciate it. And if you're ready to dive headfirst and immerse yourself in the world of cryptocurrency trading and really take it to the next level when it comes to investing, in mining, and trading cryptos and set yourself up for the best results possible, it's all about taking your education as a trader seriously. You owe it to yourself to take a serious look at my cryptocurrency trading, investing, and mining mastery course and my 24/7 running mastermind chat group on Slack. It's all about your education and empowering yourself with the tools for success in any area you seek to excel and produce exceptional results. Next thing you know, you could be writing your very own success story with the help of the education and mastermind opportunity we have available for you here at Bitcoin Lifestyles Club. You can get more info about the education and mastermind at my website, www.bitcoinlifestyles.club. You can click the link right below this video for more information and to get started. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. Caleb Wright, signing off. I look forward to catch you soon with even more value. May you grow in Bitcoin prosperity until next time.